Nigerian National Petroleum Company (GMD) quietly award control of Nigerian's pipeline to Northern Oil Cabal. This is a news that has been trending online, and PM Master Monekpa decided to write on it. Before then, guys, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment, and share. If you're returning subscribers, I welcome you back in this channel. This is a brief information that I want to, I want us to look into, because people don't know what is going on in Nigeria. Some people, once you sleep and wake up, find yourself awake and healthy, you believe that all is going well around you. This is part of the reason why everybody need to, step up and say the truth. Some people, often ask me, why am I so much interested in Biafran cost? What is so special about it that as long as you have something doing, you can, manage your life and focus on what you are doing. But the truth is that it's not all about you living fine now. What happens to your children? If you believe that you are living, very, very fine, the effect of mess in Nigeria is not affecting you, that does not mean that you are exempted, because sooner or later, you will understand that things turns around. And it is not everybody that is comfortable seeing other people, going through hell. Not everybody. So some people, when you see your fellow human being suffering and going through a lot, the enjoyment and the good standard of living that you're having may not be enjoyable anymore to you. So we are wired differently, actually. Now, this is what the headline of one of the Nigerian news platform, People's Gazette, publicly put this in this news, for everybody to see. And our Prime Minister, Master Monekpa, decided to write on it. You can see what he said here. Why the so-called Boy State governor does not know anything about salt mining in his state. Nothing as Islamics are controlling oil in Biafran land. Not just oil, I was also told that Dangote and the former governor of Enugu State, the one they call Buruburu, Ifa Ugwai, they are secretly mining coal in Enugu during his time in office. So imagine if Buruburu, who is new in the political system in Nigeria, only that he was opportune to become governor, second time, and just like other people, there is a routine to any governor who serve one time, he will definitely come for second. So he have done that in Enugu State. Imagine if Buruburu were able to do that kind of thing. Now, what do you think that the current governor, who was in the system during Chimaroke's regime in 1999, and he knows every movement to steal. He was part of the Chimaroke and his regime. This current governor was part of that crime. So imagine what he'll be doing at the moment. So every part of Biafran land, the Igbo-speaking part of Biafra, are going through this nonsense. They allow their colleague, their criminal gang in North, to steal from their people, but none of them were able to lay hands on any natural resources in the North. Some people still believe that there's no natural resources in the North. There is a lot. So, but what happens is that what belongs to the North, what is in the North belongs to the Northerners. Then what is in the East belongs also to the Northerners, because they are the one putting whoever is going to be in control of any governmental post in the East, and it's really affecting everybody. Yesterday, I saw Sahara reporters, posting and reporting that oil workers in Abia State, they admitted that in Biafra land, in Igbo land, there is a place where they can, drain oil from. They were saying that Igbo people are, dragging Niger Delta south to their Biafran because of oil. That the Igbo land is landlocked, nothing is there. They are going to die of hunger. So this were one of their propaganda for you not to support your freedom. But now it is no hidden. that workers, oil workers in Abia State protested. So there was a protest in Abia State about it, and those protests, were conducted by oil workers. They were protesting in the street, calling for government to pay them their salary. I think that was 4 months or 3 months, if I'm not mistaken, salary. So why am I saying this? They have a public now. It is no more hidden. If you are thinking that the Igbo land, there's no oil region in that falls in Igbo Biafrans, then you are joking. Go to Sahara Reporters, you will see it there. When Ghana said it before, that Niger Delta they are talking about, the Imo State is a Niger Delta. The way they define Niger Delta, Abia State is also Niger Delta. There is oil in all these states. In Enugu there is oil. In Anambra there is oil. In Imo there is oil. In Abia there is oil. I am not sure of Ebonyi. There are resources, just like Enugu have cold. So we are not, asking for freedom because of oil. But look at it. The Northerners, the gold in the Zamfara belong to the Zamfara state and their Northern counterparts. What happens to the farms, the cattle, rice production, and everything that happen in the north? None of them comes down to east. But all these Northerners, they are so eager to take whatever that comes from the east, from the west, and other part of Nigeria. I don't know what they're using. The charm they're using is so strong. Today, if not for Biafran agitators, if not for Biafran freedom fighters, somebody like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa, what will be the fate of Igbos? We're in a country where you have different people living differently, you have different religion, belief, custom, and norms, and one of the parts of the country, is benefiting from everything that comes from every other regions. Others don't. Even the one they said is belong to federal goes direct to the Northerners as well. That was why they were able to come publicly telling you that you must give your land for open graze, that the cattle raiders must take your land and your farm, that the cattle is more important than whatever you think you are doing in your land. So you can see the confidence they have. I posted a video 2 days ago about Dangote and Innocent, telling us how the whole story started. That Igbo people, if you're a billionaire today, you cannot even, you have not attend to your potential, because the job of the Nigerian federal government is to limit every average Igbo man, whether you're a billionaire or whatever. You can see what happened to Alex Oyema, who is one of Nigerianists propagating the affairs of Nigeria and all that. So we need to understand the reason why Biafrans are agitating and what they expect to have, to make sure they get what they need, their freedom, and they obtain their potential. Because if you are still in one Nigeria, this will be your fate. Somebody who is a general manager of NNPC secretly awarded control of Nigerian pipelines to Northern Oil Cabals. What is Northern Oil Cabals? That's a story for another day, because everything goes to the Northerners. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you.